My hair looks so greasy. Hello, Borgie. Why is the lighting like that? How do I make it more even? This is why I don't really like my setup here. Wait. It looks so blurry. Wait lang. It looks blurry for me also. Wait lang. What goes on? Why does it look like that? It looks like it's so dirty. I don't know why. Hello. I don't know how to fix the lighting. Ganon pa rin. I don't know what to do. It looks so it looks so... Wait, maybe I should go closer. Hello. Huh? Open the light. Wait. It looks so... If it's like that, oh my gosh, look at that. It looks wrong. It looks better if it's low light, I think. Like this. The Huh? It doesn't look good like that. Wait, Mama's telling me to open the main light. Tita Lat, hello po. Wait, let me try to open the... You cannot appreciate the sunlight lamp in the back. I don't know, man. Wait, no, I'll just off the light. Hello, thank you so much, guys. It looks so awkward. I don't like the lighting. But yeah, I'm joining a campaign. I'll go live again tomorrow. Hello, Chris Park. Hello, hi everyone. Good evening. Is this lighting okay? Wait, I don't like my setup yet. Wait, let me... No, I'm in Manila now. I'm in Manila already. Hello, Eunice. I am a treadmill I want, but I don't have space. My apartment's so small. My apartment's small kasi, so I don't really have space for a treadmill. Si Miss Green is trending. What? Trending? Really? Thank you so much, guys. Grabe. Hala, thank you. Thank you so much, guys. It's trending pala. Hala. That's so unexpected. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Robins. Kuya JP, hello, Robins. Hello, thank you so much. Hello, nice dog. Kuya Bong, thank you po. My hair is so, ewan. I just got home a few hours ago. Thank you so much, Kuya Bong. Hala, we're almost at 11K. Thank you, guys. Oh, 11.5K. Thank you so much, guys. Wait, I wanna tie my hair, I think. Oh, I don't know. I don't like this hair on me. Chris Park, thank you so much. Kuya Bong, thank you so much. I just got home a few hours ago. Sa Camilo Ilo, thank you, Kuya Bong. Kuya JP, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thanks, everyone. Kuya Bong, hello. Zakam Charit, hello. Ate Ira, hello. Saham, saan ka now? I'm in Manila right now. I'm back in my old place in Manila. Wait, I think I should go live on TikTok too. Para dalawa na. You know? Zakam Rose, thank you so much. I'm trying to grow on TikTok rin kasi, so I want to go live there as well. because I might be doing my live selling there. Zakam Rose, thank you so much. Congrats to Team Clash. Thank you so much. John Henry, thank you. Thank you so much. Sean, hello. Happy birthday, Sean. Happy birthday. When pala live selling mo? I'm not sure, bestie, but within the end of the month, I should already have the shop opened already. Thank you, Ren. Happy birthday to you. Blurred? Oh no. Oh my gosh. That's the problem. Yun lang. Like, I'm having problem with... Oh, thank you so much! Sean, thank you so much. Wait, let's play some songs. Oh, Sean, thank you! Listening to their songs. So let's play their song. I keep on singing Ditto. As in, non-stop. It's making me, it's making me crazy. Like, I love their song so much. Don't say it, Ditto. And let me say it back. Oh, say it, Ditto. No, why can't I play? Let's play all their songs. Oh wow, Miss Beller, thank you so much. Thank you, Miss Beller. I'm so sorry if I look a little haggard. My hair is oily. Because I don't want to wash it so much. So, I'm sorry, guys. Ate Chi, thank you so much. Ate Chi, thank you. We're at 41K. Grabe. Thank you so much, guys. But yeah, I wanted to join this campaign because it's practical. Hello. Thank you so much, guys. Congrats daw on Team Clash. Thank you. It's official. It's officially out na the poster. Ivana, thank you. Thank you. Robin, thank you. Yes, we already shot Team Clash, but we're not done yet. So, Eugene's LSS. Ito na naman tayo. We're always doing this. Ali, thank you. Wait, let me drink water. I think I should go live on Barbie, thank you. Unbox. Oh yeah, true, I should. Do you want to see? I'll show you guys. Wait lang. BRB. Oh my gosh, Ate Chi! Thank you so much! Thank you, Ate Chi! Wait lang, let me get some. 200 viewers. Hello! Miss Valer, thank you so much. Can't wait to see you on Team Clash. Oh my gosh, I can't wait either. Because, like, it's so exciting. Miss Valer, thank you. Well, I have some gifts here to show you. Well, actually, it was already unboxed because I kept it in the closet already. But I'm still gonna show you anyway. Nagbihis. Yeah, I changed my shirt na lang. Pressy, hello! Yes, finale na bukas. I'll go live again tomorrow. Para we can do the finale. Adrian, thank you! Zakam Cherry, thank you so much. Okay, I'll show you. Medyo blurred. Yun nga eh. It's kind of blurring up. Ate Precious, thank you. Zakam Rose. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Ali. Tita Lat, good evening po. Thank you for joining my live. Zakam Rose, thank you. Oh my gosh, we're almost at 100K. Thank you guys for supporting me. Eto, this is one of the gifts. Thank you so much, Cutie Me, for the gift. I've never tried this, to be honest. This is special tikoy. Tikoy. I've never tried this in my life, so I'm so excited. Yodge, thank you. Is it tikoy or tikoy? Dip mo sa egg, then prito. Yon, I need to try that. I really need to try that because I've never tried this pa. So it is a glutinous rice cake, medium brown. Wow! I can't wait to try this. I've never tried this pa. Savor the unique flavor. Ooh, I shall. Grabe ang poster ng Teen Clash, diba, bestie? I'm so happy to be a part of that because I didn't expect to be a part of something that big. And wala lang, I'm just so kilig. I'm so excited. Like, I can't wait. But we're not done filming yet. We're still going to film again. Kuya Bong, thank you. Kailan mo nalaman nakasali ka sa Teen Clash? Thank you so much, Kuya Bong. Well, to be honest, I auditioned like months ago. And then I thought that I wasn't a part of it na kasi the people who were there auditioning, they were so famous. And then like I didn't expect to be a part of it talaga. And then months after, I get a random uh, call back. And then yeah, tuloy-tuloy na. I was kind of nervous because I didn't even finish the audition kasi it was QMK era pa. Besties account, thank you. It was QMK era, so I didn't even get to finish the whole audition process. So, Aliseo, thank you. Eliza, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, thank you, Aliseo, thank you. Thank you everyone for supporting me on my life. But yeah, I auditioned like months ago during QMK era. Kala ko wala na yun. But then months after, I get a call. So I'm very, very happy. Adrian, thank you. Matagal na. QMK era pa yun. Kuya Bong, thank you so much. But yun, I found out maybe November or December. December? I believe November. What's your role secret? You'll find out. You'll find out soon. I don't want to spoil it. I want everyone to see it with me. Kasi I didn't even get to watch any of the scenes or anything like that. So I don't know how it looks like. Galing mo magtago. Dapat lang, bestie. I was so I really want to share but I can't. Katie, thank you. Ganda ng story niyan. Yun nga eh. It was on Wattpad before, right? Katie, thank you. Kuya Bang, thank you. Yes, December pa kami nag-shoot. But we're not done yet. Katie, thank you so much. Kuya Bang, thank you. Wait. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you some stuff nga pala. Here, I got a gift from Cookie Ma. Thank you so much, Cookie Ma. I got, for the first time ever, sweaters from Charlotte Folk. Riti, thank you so much! Thank you so much, Tiny Burger only. Thank you, thank you. But yeah, I got this. It smells so good. Actually, I want to wear this. I'm so indecisive. I think I'm gonna change into this. Thank you so much. Ang ganda nito. So cute. I should wear it. I should wear it. And then there's one na white. Ayan. So cute. And this one has like a hoodie. I wanna wear it na. I think I'll wear it. Ito. So cute. Really? Katie, thank you. It's so cute. I love the design. It's very minimal. Anong brand, baby? It's Charlotte Folk. Okay, let me change. Let me change. Ito na, ito na. This is the final outfit change. Cute. Oh my gosh. Look at it. And it has born and raised Manila, Philippines. Oh my gosh. 1996. Wow! So cute naman. I feel like tying my hair because my hair looks so bad. Thank you so much for trending on Twitter, guys. That's so unexpected. Mine po. Cookie Mo, thank you. Reese, thank you so much. Wait, I wanna fix my hair. Shall I tie it? We're going for cozy vibes today. Eee. Oh, thank you, Infinite. Thank you so much. Top 3. Thank you. We're at 100K. Thank you so much. Oh, I didn't expect you guys to turn on Twitter. Thank you talaga. And shout out to the 265 viewers here right now on my live. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Kuya Bong, thank you, Ali. Hi. Eto na. This is the song. This is my LSS na song. I can't stop singing this. Kuya Bong, Ali, thank you so much. Hair up or hair down? Mama, hair up or down? One or it all. I love you, say it. I love you, say it that way. Oh, thank you, Josie, for saying sorry. Thank you so much. Up. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for supporting the hair up movement. So what's up? What have you guys been doing? Shine bright like a diamond. Ginagyang, sana all po. Sana all po talaga. Lersky, thank you. Zakampan, thank you so much. Diamond. Dinagyang, sana all po. I went home early na eh. I can't ano. Tita Cherry, thank you so much. Yung Jopay. Wait, I know that one. Actually, I didn't see the trend mismo. They taught it to me lang. Wait, how is it lang? No, there's another one. Ate Chi, which one? Huwag ka nang mawa. I forgot na. Huwag ka nang mawala. I forgot. Huwag ka nang mawala. No, there's another one. Ate Chi, ano yung isa? Yung bulaklak. What's that one again? Paano yung bulaklak? Ang bango-bango. Ang bango-bango ng bulaklak. Mama saying, no, it's not like that now. Ate Sunny, hello. Ang bango-bango. Ang bango-bango. Ang bango-bango ng bulaklak. There's another one pa. Wait, there's another one. What's the other one, Ate Chi? I forgot the other one. Mama's laughing na. There's another one, I forgot. Welcome to the Hotel of California. Welcome to the Hotel of California. So cute. There's another one too. I forgot the other one. They were teaching me all of it yesterday. Oh my gosh. Shine bright like a diamond. Kuya JP, thank you. I forgot the others now. Kuya JP, thank you so much. Yeah, they were teaching me yesterday. So funny. Like you a little, don't want no riddle. This LSS talaga. I'll say it. So Cameron, thank you so much. How is the Jopay na ulit? So Cameron, thank you so much. Huwag ka nang mawala. Huwag ka nang mawala. I forgot. Grayson, thank you so much. But yeah, I'm officially back home in Manila, and it is time to get to work, everyone. Eunice, hello. Huwag ka nang mawala. Ate Precious, thank you so much. BBC Ham, thank you. Adrian, thank you. Ang galing. Galing mong sumayaw. Galing mong gumalaw. Galing mong sumayaw. Galing mo sumayaw. Galing mo gumalaw. Ang galing mo sumayaw. Guys, thank you so much. They taught me everything. Kasi hindi ako updated. Sila, they're so updated. Zach so updated sa mga TikTok trends. For me, I don't know anything. I'm like a grandma. So they teach me. I need to watch it nga. Oh yeah, the eyeliner of Caroline, so nice. True. I don't know why I'm doing my eyeliner. I just saw it. Like it looks Lola Sahim. That's me. I'm very old school. Wait lang guys. Let me fix my eyeliner. Huwag ka nang mawala. Huwag ka nang mawala. Okay, love this song. OMG. Cutie ng nails. Thank you so much, Bestie. I did short nails, so my life is easy. Because if I have long nails, it's hard. Yes, tapos na yung unboxing. That's what I got yesterday. Thank you so much, QTV. And Cookie Mo, thank you talaga. I love it so much. This really smells good. Do a scissor. Wait, I forgot the response to that one. Yung Maria Clara? Ah, Sisa. I forgot the ano. What time ka nag-live? 9:15, bestie. I know the steps to this. I wanna... Charot. Let's do this. I wanna do a TikTok. Oh my God, his name is Summer. Something that he will come to. I wanna do this. Oh my God, thank you, Anichi, thank you. Kuya Bong, thank you. Yeah, so K-pop. Medyo bestie. TikTok na yan. Maybe after this live, I will. I wanna go live on TikTok rin na eh. But maybe later na. Oh wait, let me put back the tikoy. Thank you so much, QTV. I'll try this. Thank you so much. Kuya Bong, thank you. Cham, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, we're at 134k. Thank you guys. Wait lang, ibalik ko lang to. Kuya Bong, thank you. What K-pop group? I'm not like super updated. Kuya Bong, thank you. Thank you so much po. I'm not super updated, but I really like Blackpink, obviously. I also like ITZY. I like BTS. New Jeans. I'm obsessed with New Jeans lately. And yun, their songs keep on replaying in my head. I can't. BTS, yes. True, I love. But I'm not super updated. Grayson, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wait, I want a pillar. Where's my pillar? I'm so sorry, guys. I'm, moving a lot. Really hoping that he will come through. If they love, you'll find out soon. It will air every Sunday, I believe, or Saturday. Nag-workout ka today, Bibi? Hindi. I wasn't able to go today because I had a lot of errands to run. I went to the bank and I went to get some things done. Because, like I said, when I landed from Iloilo, it's like tuloy-tuloy na everything was fast-paced. So I wasn't able to do some errands much. So today was my errands day. I'll go back tomorrow. Yes, Jungkook is my bias. Hi, Seham, my burger last name. Cause hamburger. Hamburger. I will keep replaying this song until you guys get tired. Cookie Mo, thank you so much. I want to be on the floor, guys. I don't want to be on the floor. Let's go. Let's go on the floor. Guys, doon na lang tayo. I don't feel comfy on the chair. Why are y'all laughing? What's going on? Ay! Oh my gosh, I thought that was a delicate for a second. Oh my god. I got nervous. I thought you guys would see something. I brought my sunset lamp. Ah! Sayang yung dreamy light. Malamig dyan, bestie. Medyo, bestie. It's so, naman. I brought it from Iloilo para I can have a cute, cute background. Alright, let me put it here. Right here. Bored ka ata, medyo. Ang gulo ng live na to. Should I just sing? My chair na pink is at my desk. Because my vanity is quite small, so it looks awkward with the vanity. So I use it for my desk when I work. Marunong ka bang mag-English? No. Hindi po. Fluent po ako sa Tagalog eh. Hindi ako marunong mag-English. Like, nahirapan po ako mag-English. Ready? Thank you! Kailangan ko ng lesson sa English. Kalo na. Fluent po talaga ako. You know, sometimes, ang hirap. Ang hirap mag-English. Xander, thank you. Hindi ko kaya yung English straight. Hindi ko talaga yun kaya. Miss Valer, thank you. Punasan mo cam mo. Sige, wait. There's something wrong with my camera. Ay, sorry. Like, yung camera ko, parang, hindi siya maayos tingnan. Parang blurry. Parang, thank you, friends! Kaya pa, bestie. Ang awkward. No! It's not awkward. Ang natural kaya. Nasa Team Flash ko. Thank you so much, bestie. Thank you, bestie. Maraming salamat po, kaibigan. Pinakamatalik kong kaibigan. Maraming salamat po. Matalik kong kaibigan. Rose 32, thank you. Reylando, shout out sa'yo. Robins, hello. Ano po yung nangyari sa inyo habang nawala ako? Actually, kailangan ko talaga mag-Tagalog. Kasi, alam nyo, magtatagalog ako sa bagong show. So, dapat magtagalog ako. Kasi, for the hosting era ako, and kailangan ko magtagalog. Kasi Tagalog ang viewers, di ba? Pa-wash out po ako, kaibigan. Wash out po! Pinakamatalik kong kaibigan, Zar. Congrats on your new project. What does project mean? Ano yung project sa Tagalog? Proyekto. Thank you so much, Miss Valer. Ano Tagalog ng cake? Tinapay. Cake. I don't know. Hala, what is cake na in Tagalog? I never knew. Let's search. Cake in Tagalog.
That was not gonna make it.
Wala. It's just cake. Wala talaga. Oh, kaya pala. Cake. Sinerch ko. Because I thought that there is... ang spelling lang nag-iba. Succumb to hello. Makulay na tinapay. Teen. Asian yun. We're hosting Ira sa Barkadahan. That's why. Yung grab kahapon, oh my gosh, bestie, Ate Chi, wag. Something happened in the grab. So embarrassing. It's like one of my most embarrassing moments. You know, life really tests me. They put me in situations where I question my existence talaga. It's okay. Like, I was so... Tawang-tawa si Zach. Yun nga. Pero for me, I was dying inside. I was literally dying inside. Kwento? Paano kung ayoko? Char! Gusto niyo ba? Do you want to hear the kwento? Mina naman being, embarrassing again. 200k kwento. Sige, go for the go. Let's go. 200k daw, let's kwento. I'll tell you everything. So embarrassing. Ate Chi, I almost forgot that happened. I almost forgot that happened, then I remembered. Buti mo yun. Tagalog, sige. I will make kwento in Tagalog. Why is my hair not cooperating? Wait, I need to comb this. Hindi na. If we hit 200... Oh, thank you so much, Kuya Mom. If we hit 200k, I'm gonna kwento in Tagalog. Pure Tagalog. Ang nangyari. I don't have a brush. I'm gonna use this. Si Gretchen, bestie. Yun nga eh. Gretchen. Sige, I'll tell about Gretchen. Thank you, guys. Kuya Bong, thank you. It was so embarrassing. And my life flashed before my eyes. Adrian, thank you! Walang na-Sharon si Adrian. Nag-Sharon ka ba, Adrian? Konti na lang yung naiwan. Si Xander daw yung nag-Sharon. I'm so excited. Xander and I, we have a plan on doing like a concept shoot. Rahana, thank you. I wanna do like a timeless beauty type of shoot. You know, like the photo shoots they used to do in the 60s, like close-ups. And then I also want to do something super dreamy, like Nayon from Twice. Clarissa, thank you so much. I really want to try because I want to be more, comfortable with the camera. Because, I mean, I'm practicing by posing and everything, but like, I really want to try. I want to do like a shoot with a mirror and water here, and like, I don't know how to explain it, but like, reflective, something like that. Moon River. Ivana Alawi, yon, like, I really want, Oh, thank you, Userman! Thank you so much, Barbie! Thank you! I really want to do, shoots like that. Sweetie Love, thank you. Jana, thank you. I really want to try mga ganyan. Oh my gosh, RT13, thank you! You know I could, Chica Valiente, thank you. Not the best idea. JLMRC, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, we're almost to story time. Let's go. Baby ko si Ham. Hi. User, thank you so much, JLMRC. Let's go. California. I always get myself into situations like this. I also have a really bad story about what happened. Oh my gosh, Ate Chi, thank you. IBCD, thank you so much. Ate Precious, thank you. Barbie, thank you so much. Oh, RNC13, thank you. Abby Tofu, thank you so much. Hi, thank you so much, guys. We're almost at 200k. Rose32, thank you so much. I have so many kwento where I embarrass myself. Prince, thank you. Oh my my gosh, thank you so much, Ate Chi. Thank you, Zar. Cutie me, thank you so much. Cutie me, thank you ulit sa tikoy. Oh, thank you. Rose, thank you so much. Cutie me. Jaslyn May. Rick Flash, thank you, Zar. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Grayson, thank you so much. I'm readying my vocal cords. Grayson, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, bestie. Ate Chi, thank you. Oh my gosh, Zakam too. Thank you so much. Ayan na, Roaster. Ayan! Okay, we are at 200k. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Rose 3232, thank you. Ayan na, so magtatagalog lang po ako. Bawal mag-English kasi kailangan ko talaga mag-practice. Okay. Nasa 200k na po tayo. Thank you so much, guys. Kayanin mo yan, Bibi. I will really try. Binalik na ba ni Adrian hiniram niyang face mask pa uwi? Hindi talaga, hindi niya binalik. Kinuha niya lang. Miss Valer, thank you so much. Buti na lang may extra ako. Char. Miss Valer, thank you. Miss Valer, thank you so much. Okay, so let's go with the story. So, nagsimula ang kwento sa Enero 22. Enero 22. Pumunta ako sa Makati. Kasi sa Makati daw, that's not Tagalog. Oh no! What's 22 again? 22. Yun. Sa Enero 22, pumunta ako sa Makati. Kasi dun daw yung meet up. Sa Makati daw ang tagpuan. Yan, tama. Sa Makati daw ang tagpuan, doon kami magkikita-kita ng mga friends ko na sina Sean, Chi, Adrian, and Zach. So, mga kaibigan ko. Oh, sorry. Pasensya na po, mga matalik kong kaibigan. Pasensya po talaga. And then, tapos, so nakita ko na sila. Ako, medyo late ako kasi hindi ako nakabook agad ng Grab. Medyo nahirapan po ako mag-book kasi ayaw nila ako tanggapin. Parang hindi ako sapat para sa mga Grab drivers. Hindi ako tanggap. So, pero, ayon sa kasabihan, everything takes time. Everything will come at the perfect time. Ang lahat ay Tagalog, Bestie. Ang lahat ay kailangan ng oras. No, that's so wrong. Darating sa tamang panahon? Huh? Eternal bleeding. Ang lahat ang naayon sa tamang panahon. May tamang panahon ang lahat. Oh, tama. Ang kasabihan ay, oh, wait. I wish I have a translator. Oh my gosh. Sa takdang panahon, yun na yun. Sa takdang panahon, mangyayari yung dapat. I don't know how to say it talaga, guys. Ano na? Wait, Ang lahat ay may tamang panahon. Yun yung kasabihan. Ang lahat ay may tamang panahon. So, pagkatapos ng ilang minuto, ayan na, nakabook na ako ng Grab. Hi, CJ! Hello! dahil naging patient ako, dahil naging, what's patient? CJ, thanks. Thank you so much. Matyaga. Ayan, matyaga ako. So, naka-book na ako ng Grab. Hindi ako oh my God, I'm having such a hard time, guys. Hindi ako sumuko. Okay? So, ayan na, naka-Grab na ako. Papunta na ako. Ate Tricycle, thank you so much. Thank you. So, pagkatapos ng ilang minuto, nandun na ako sa Makati. Nandun na yung mga friends ko, naghihintay sa akin. Tapos, habang hinihintay namin yung Grab papuntang Antipolo, thank you so much, Ate Tricycle. Habang hinihintay namin yung Grab na papuntang Antipolo, 11 minutes daw yung Grab. So sabi ko, parang gusto ko magkape. So, nag-order ako ng kape. Bestie. Iced kape. And then, masarap siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang mangyayari. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung sulat sa bituin para sa akin. Pero, ayan, umiinom na ako ng kape. Adrian, thank you so much. Umabot na yung Grab. So, umabot na yung Grab. Nakabook kami ng 6-seater. Kasi how many are we? We're 5? We're 6. 6 kami. So, nakabook sila ng 6 na 6-seater. 5? Oh yeah, 5 kami. Ayun, 5. So, yun. Nakabook sila ng 6-seater. So, bestie, alam nyo, I was going and, I can't do this in Tagalog. I really want to do that. I really want to say the story. Okay. So, binuksan ko yung pintuan kasi ako, I'm very like, hands-on, kamay-on. Char. Suko na. No, walang susuko. Sige, wag na. Bestie, parang kayong nahihirapan. Bestie, I want to tell you the story properly. Okay, ito. So I was ready na. I opened the door. I was like, ako na. I will be the one to open the door. Na. Si Zaki already sat in the front. No. So we opened the door. Diba, we're 5. So dapat may nakaupo sa likod. So I pulled the button, bestie. I pulled the button. And the chair went. And not just that, it hit the coffee in my hand. I didn't know that it would do that. I thought that it would go slowly. Kasi yung amin, it goes slowly. It does not just pop like that. So it popped and it hit the coffee and it spilled all over the car. It spilled all over the car, bestie. And then, oh my God, bestie. The driver. I was like, my mouth was on the floor. I was so scared. I was so scared talaga. I was like, Kuya, I'm so sorry po. And then, Kuya looked at me. He did not say a word, bestie. He was just like, and then I was like, Kuya, I'll clean it up. I'm so sorry po talaga. I'm so sorry. I'll clean it up. Ate Chi, may alcohol ka ba dyan? Ate Chi, do you have tissue? And then everyone was so quiet. And then I was like, oh my God. Shocked kami. We were all shocked. My heart's literally pounding. He did not say a word, guys. Like, as in the whole time, he did not say a word. He was just like, and then I was like, Kuya, I'm so sorry po talaga. I'm so sorry. I'll clean it up. And then I was like, Ate Chi, do you have alcohol? Do you have tissue? And then Taco was like, he was trying so hard not to laugh. But then I cleaned it up. And then I was like cleaning it so well, and I sprayed alcohol on the chairs and everything. But luckily, si Kuya, his car was mostly of like rubber, so uh, it was easy to wipe off. So I cleaned it. I was cleaning the window, and then Kuya gave me a basahan. Tapos nothing. He didn't say a word. He was just like really mad. He was literally killing me with his eyes. And then I was like, oh no! I was so quiet, bestie. I kept on saying sorry talaga. I'm like, sorry talaga, kuya. And I kept on making kuskus. Like, even if it was clean already, I kept on cleaning it pa rin talaga. And then kuya was like, okay na yan, ma'am. And then I was like, I'm so sorry. And then Zach was like, ako nasa unahan kasi so that he'll be the one to get killed na lang daw instead of me. Because I swear to God, guys, he was killing me with his looks. So yun, he sat in front and then I was in the back. I was quiet the whole ride. Like literally, I was just like, and then he was also looking at the drink. You know, he was looking at the drink. He was like, in his mind, I know that he was thinking like, are you gonna bring that inside? And then I was like, ate, I'll throw it na lang. I'll throw the drink na lang. And then I didn't know where the garbage can was. So I couldn't find it. The takip of the drink was already under the car. Pinulot ko talaga. And then I put it na lang. I put the cover on and then I had it I put it in the back na lang. But gosh, I was so quiet the whole ride because I was so scared. Like I always get myself into situations like this. But yeah, yun. Yun na yun.